Louise Hay, the thoughts I choose to think and the words I choose to speak create my personal reality. Hello, everyone. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you've ever felt that mysterious connection with the world around you or sensed a shift in energy when entering a new space, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and often overlooked aspect of our existence, the energy field. It might sound a bit esoteric, but I promise you, this topic holds profound implications for our everyday lives. You see, the concept of an energy field isn't just a passing trend or a whimsical idea. It's a fundamental principle that underpins not only our personal well-being but also the collective experience of humanity. Every living being has an energy field, often referred to as an aura. This energy field serves as a protective barrier and communication channel that reflects our physical, emotional, and spiritual states. You might not realize it, but your energy field is constantly interacting with those around you, influencing your relationships, health, and overall vibe. Think about it, have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt a shift in energy? Perhaps you sense tension or harmony in the air. This is not mere coincidence, it's your energy field picking up on the vibrations of others. Each person emits energy based on their emotions, thoughts, and beliefs. The stronger your energy field, the more you can affect and be affected by the energies of those around you. It's a beautiful dance of interactions, and when you learn to understand this dynamic, you can harness its power for your personal growth. Understanding your energy field begins with recognizing its components. Our energy fields consist of layers that correspond to different aspects of our being. These layers include the physical body, emotional body, mental body, and spiritual body. Each layer vibrates at a unique frequency and interacts with the others to create a harmonious or disharmonious state. When one layer is out of balance, it can affect the entire system, leading to physical ailments, emotional turmoil, or mental stress. Let's get deeper into the emotional body, for example. This layer of our energy field holds our emotions, both positive and negative. When you experience sadness, anger, or fear, these emotions create dense energy that can weigh down your emotional body. Over time, if these emotions are not processed or released, they can manifest as physical discomfort or illness. On the flip side, positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude create a vibrant and uplifting energy that enhances your overall well-being. This is where the practice of energy healing comes into play. Techniques like Reiki, acupuncture, and even mindfulness meditation can help clear blockages within your energy field, allowing for a free flow of energy. When you engage in these practices, you're not just addressing physical symptoms, you're nurturing your entire energy system. Imagine a garden, if you don't water it regularly, it becomes dry and withered. Similarly, your energy field needs care and attention to thrive. Now, let's talk about the mental body. This aspect of our energy field is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. Our thoughts are powerful. They create vibrations that ripple through our energy fields and beyond. When you focus on negative thoughts or self-doubt, you're essentially feeding your energy field with low-frequency vibrations. Conversely, cultivating a mindset of positivity and abundance can elevate your energy field, attracting similar vibrations from the universe. You might wonder how to consciously shift your thoughts and, in turn, your energy field. One effective way is through affirmations. Positive affirmations are simple yet powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating affirmations, you can create new thought patterns that align with your desires and aspirations. For example, saying, "I am worthy of love and happiness," can shift your energy from a state of lack to one of abundance. The more you practice, the more you'll notice changes in your emotional state, relationships, and overall life experience. Now that we've explored the layers of our energy field, let's consider the spiritual body. This layer connects us to something greater than ourselves, whether you call it the universe, source energy, or a higher power. Tapping into this spiritual aspect can be incredibly grounding and empowering. Practices like meditation, prayer, or simply spending time in nature can help you connect with your spiritual body. When you nurture this connection, you create a sense of peace and purpose that radiates through your entire energy field. Moreover, understanding your energy field can enhance your relationships with others. Have you ever met someone and felt an instant connection? Or, conversely, have you felt drained after spending time with a particular person? These experiences often stem from the interaction of energy fields. When two people resonate at similar frequencies, they can uplift and inspire each other. However, when energies clash, it can lead to discomfort and negativity. To create healthier relationships, it's essential to be mindful of your energy and the energy of those around you. Setting boundaries is a powerful way to protect your energy field. This doesn't mean shutting people out but rather being intentional about who you allow into your space. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can elevate your energy and foster a supportive environment for growth. As we navigate through life, we may encounter energy vampires, individuals who drain our energy through negativity or manipulation. Recognizing these dynamics is vital for maintaining your energy field's integrity. When you feel your energy being depleted, take a moment to assess the situation. Are you giving too much of yourself? Are you allowing someone else's negativity to seep into your own energy? To counteract these draining encounters, practice grounding techniques. Grounding helps you reconnect with the earth and recharge your energy. Simple activities like walking barefoot on grass, visualizing roots growing from your feet into the ground, or practicing deep breathing can restore your energy levels. When you take time to ground yourself, you create a solid foundation for your energy field to thrive. Now, let's shift our focus to the concept of manifestation. Understanding your energy field is crucial for manifesting your desires effectively. Everything in the universe is made of energy, and like attracts like. When you align your energy with your intentions, you send a clear signal to the universe about what you wish to create in your life. To manifest your dreams, it's essential to raise your vibration. Engage in activities that bring you joy, surround yourself with supportive people, and practice gratitude regularly. Gratitude is a powerful tool that elevates your energy and shifts your focus from lack to abundance. The more you express gratitude for what you already have, the more you attract positive experiences into your life. It's also important to visualize your desires vividly. Create a mental image of what you want to manifest and immerse yourself in the feelings associated with achieving that goal. The stronger your emotional connection to your vision, the more potent the energy you emit. Note, the universe is always listening to your energy, so make sure it reflects your deepest desires. As we explore the energy field further, let's consider the importance of self-awareness. Being in tune with your energy allows you to recognize when something feels off. It might manifest as physical discomfort, emotional unease, or a nagging feeling in your gut. Trusting these instincts is essential for maintaining a healthy energy field. When something doesn't feel right, take a step back and assess the situation. Are you in an environment that nourishes you, or is it depleting your energy? Self-care is another critical aspect of maintaining a balanced energy field. Engaging in activities that nourish your body, mind, and spirit can significantly impact your overall well-being. Whether it's practicing yoga, journaling, or enjoying a leisurely walk, make self-care a priority. When you care for yourself, you enhance your energy field and cultivate a sense of balance and harmony. Let's also touch on the role of breath in managing our energy. Breath is a powerful tool that can shift your energy instantly. Deep, conscious breathing helps to release stagnant energy and infuse your body with fresh, vibrant energy. Take a moment to breathe deeply, inhale through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, and exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or negativity. This simple practice can ground you and enhance your energy field in a matter of moments. As we navigate our lives, it's important to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Our energy fields don't exist in isolation, they are part of a vast web of energy that connects every living being. When we cultivate love, compassion, and understanding in our interactions, we contribute to the collective energy of humanity. Small acts of kindness, a smile to a stranger, or a helping hand can create ripples of positive energy that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. Note that you have the power to influence your energy field and, by extension, the energy of those around you. When you embody positivity, gratitude, and self-awareness, you become a beacon of light in a sometimes chaotic world. Your energy can inspire others to raise their vibrations, creating a ripple effect of love and kindness. In conclusion, the energy field is a powerful aspect of our existence that profoundly impacts our lives. By understanding and nurturing our energy fields, we can enhance our well-being, deepen our connections with others, and manifest our desires more effectively. Take the time to explore your energy, practice self-care, and engage in activities that elevate your vibration. The journey of understanding your energy field is not just about individual growth, it's about contributing to the collective energy of humanity. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this exploration of the energy field enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to get deeper into topics like this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world to me and helps us create a vibrant community of individuals committed to personal growth and understanding. Note, you are a powerful being, and your energy has the potential to create incredible change in your life and the lives of others. Let's keep shining our light together.